Hey folks, I think this is recording here, so I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial on how to get to a Blackboard quiz, just in case you haven't taken a Blackboard quiz before. I'm actually in student preview mode on our course, so what you would do, there's our strings and woodwinds thing, is go down to quizzes, and it should show you parts of string instruments as being available. What you do is click on it, it'll open in a new window, and you can save your answers and come back later if you need to, but it's not a long quiz. But there you go, you would just press begin. And so what it will do is it will you can only take it one time, but you can, save your progress and come back. So it'll ask you, it's all pictures and fill in the blank. So if I were to, answer this, I go ahead and put in my answer. Okay, there's my answer. I put F hole for that and I can save it. Well, say I need to go back. I gotta go back. I'm gonna close the window. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go back in, continue, and look, there we go. It has my progress. So it kept my answer for me, but I'm gonna answer, well, I'm not gonna tell you what the answer is. But anyway, there are, let's see, 1, 2, we're gonna go all the way down to the bottom, 15 questions with 2 extra credit. When you are done, you just click submit or save and submit, and then you can click out of it, close your window, whatever. But that is how you take a Blackboard quiz. So if you've never done it before, there you go. If you have any questions, you can email me. If something gets messed up, you can email me and we'll do our best to fix it. It will be open from now until Wednesday night, Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. It shouldn't take you that long, but there you go. You have until then to complete your quiz. All right.